Hey guys, this is TSQ here, and today I welcome you to the second part of the Yahoo method solving. So, in the first part, we had solved the first two we had solved the first two centers and the first three cross edges. So now we solve the remaining four centers and the last cross edge. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve the rest remaining 8 edges, including some special cases if I feel that I'm good at it. So let's begin with this. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve the remaining 4 centers and the last cross piece. So remaining 4 centers, what you have to do is form half centers. Half centers are these two blocks which are near the cross pieces. You have to form 3 half centers, which is 1, 2 and 3. So it is like, I'll just show you an example solve first. First I see this orange pieces, this half center is formed, then I see this green piece and I see the blue one as well. So by this we have formed the first 3 half centers here, here, here and here. So after doing the first 3 half centers, what you do is you just solve the cube using RU moves. After solving these 3 half centers, you keep one at the back, one in the down and one in the front face. And by just using RU moves, you have to solve the remaining 3 half centers and the last center. So I see these both colors. I see these both orange pieces, so I set it up like this and bring it down. Then I see this pair, but it is supposed to go here, so it's of no use for now. Then I see these 2 blue pieces. I form it, I put it at the back, and then the last. So here we are done with the remaining 4 centers. For the last cross piece, what you do is you rotate the cube and you solve the last cross piece as you do in the beginner's method, and then you align the cross. So I'll show you once again how it is done for the last 4 centers and the last cross piece. So what you do is you find for 2 pairs to form half center. So here I can see these 2 blue pieces and these 2 red pieces. So I'll first do these 2 blue pieces. For this, I hide this piece, I move this piece over here and I bring it back, and this is my first half center. Now as per the color scheme, here comes red, so these 2 red pieces should be here. So I do a 3R wide U and do a red half center, and fortunately we have a third half center already formed. So keeping one at the back, one at the front and one down, you should continue with your half centers. First you are supposed to do the half center which is of the bottom color, which is red. So the red pieces are here and here. So what you do is, so you're supposed to bring this piece over here, so that when we do a RY prime, it can be formed. And as both of these back spots are not solved, so it does not matter, so just do a R2 and fix this bottom one. Now as per me, I would have seen these 2 green pieces, so I would form these first and then insert them at the back. Next you can see these 2, so I'll match it up like this, do R wide U prime, R wide prime, then do cube rotation and insert this over here as if you would do in a beginner's method, and align the cross. I'll show you guys one more example solve. So for this solve, we have already 1 half center here and 1 half center at the back. So for this one, I think it would be good if we preserve this one here itself. I am doing this one, doing a 3RY2. I'm doing a RY2 and U2, so that we can bring this one here. Then we have to bring a blue one here or a red one here. I would bring this red one here at the bottom. So we have our first 3 half centers. So what we solve first is the green. This is the bottom color. Usually we have to always solve the bottom color, as it makes it easier for doing the rest of the half centers and it makes it more efficient for look ahead. So bottom color is green, so I see my 2 green pieces here. I move this piece over here. I do R wide, U, R wide 2. Then I want to first fix the front face or the back face. So I can't see the red piece over here, so I'll just have a look at the back face and I can see this orange can fit here. So I'll do a U2, R wide prime, U, R wide. Then this piece can go with R wide, U, R wide prime. Then the last piece, it's here. So UI, L prime, U prime L, U prime and F2. So this was it for the Yao second part tutorial, including the last cross piece and the remaining 4 centers. In the next tutorial we'll have the remaining 8 edges. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Happy giving.